Ever dreamed of running an online store without ever touching a product? eBay Dropshipping allows you to list products and make sales, with a third-party supplier handling all the inventory and shipping directly to your customer. Step 1. Find your niche and reliable suppliers. Research trending products on eBay and then scout for reputable dropshipping suppliers. Look for suppliers with good reviews, fast shipping times, and clear return policies. Platforms like Salehu or Worldwide Brands can be great starting points. Step 2. Craft compelling product listings. Use high-quality images and write descriptive titles and item specifics that highlight benefits. Clearly state your processing and shipping times in the listing to manage customer expectations. Step 3. Master order fulfillment and customer service. When a sale occurs, you'll place the order with your supplier, providing your customers shipping details. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally, resolving any issues efficiently. Always adhere to eBay's dropshipping policies. Ensure your suppliers have a legitimate physical retail presence and that you're not dropshipping from other marketplaces like Amazon or Walmart, as this can violate eBay's terms. By focusing on product quality, excellent customer service, and transparent communication, you can build a profitable eBay dropshipping business. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content.